Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is x. Now question number 5. Product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Sixth one, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. Now the properties of whole numbers. First we will see the closure property under the basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First is the closure property for addition. The sum of two whole numbers is a whole number, that is 2 plus 5. Example is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. In the subtraction, the difference of two whole numbers is not a whole number. 5 minus 7, we are getting minus 2. Minus 2 is an integer. Closure property for multiplication, the product of any two whole numbers is a whole number. So 5 and 6 are 30. Division, the whole numbers are not closed under division. And we will go for the next property is commutative property of whole numbers. For any two whole numbers, if I have taken as a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Example is 7 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12. In any order when you add, you will get the same answer. Therefore, addition is commutative. Next goes for the subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. 8 minus 10 equal to minus 2. Now, commutative for multiplication, it is commutative for multiplication. Example is 5 into 7 equal to 35 and 7 5s are also 35. Next one is the division. Division is not commutative. I have given an example 5 divided by 2, that you will get 2.5, it is a decimal. And if we change the order, 2 divided by 5, it will also become a decimal. Therefore, division is not commutative. Now we will go for the associative property of whole numbers. First one, for the basic operation addition. Addition is associative. I have given the example 5 plus of 2 plus 7 equal to 5 plus 2 plus 7. We have grouped in a different way. So 5 plus 2 plus 7 will become 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14. On the other side, 5 plus 2 is grouped. So 5 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Both the sides we are getting the same answer. Therefore, addition is associative. Subtraction. Subtraction is not associative. I have given an example for that. 5 minus of 2 minus 7, that is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 7. Here it is grouped in a different way. So 5 minus 2 minus 7 will become minus 5. So 5 minus of minus 5 will become 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 7 will become minus 4. 10 is not equal to minus 4. Therefore, subtraction is not associative. Now, associative multiplication is associative in whole numbers. Example is 7 into 2 into 5, that is equal to 7 into 2 is grouped into 5. Here 2 and 5 is grouped. So 7 into 5 2s are 10 and that 7 2s are 14 into 5. So 7 10s are 70 and 14 5s are 70. Therefore, multiplication is associative in whole numbers. Now, division in the whole numbers. Division is not associative in whole number. Example is 7 divided by 2 divided by 5 equal to 7 divided by 2 divided by 5. So 7 divided by 2 divided by 5 will become 0.4. So it will be 7 into reciprocal of it. So reciprocal of 0.4, it will become 10 by 4. That is 70 by 4, that is 17.5. And 3.5 on the other side, 7 divided by 2 divided by 5 is 3.5 divided by 5. 35 by 10 into 1 by 5, you are getting 0.7. So as we are in the whole numbers, we are getting the answer is the decimal. Therefore, division is not associative under whole numbers. Now we will go for the integers, properties of integers. Under this closure property, integers are closed under addition. Example is minus 6 plus 5 will become minus 1. Minus 1 is an integer. Next one is a subtraction. Integers are closed under subtraction. So 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 2 is an integer. And 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is also integer. Therefore, integers are closed under subtraction. Properties of integer for the multiplication closure property. The product of two integer is also an integer. Example is 5 into 8 equal to 40. Next comes is the division. Integers are not closed under division. 5 divided by 8 equal to 5 by 8, that is 6.25, that is not an integer. In the properties of integer, we will go for commutative property. Commutative property under addition is commutative. Example is 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5. Both we are getting the answer 8. Second one is under subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. So 5 minus of minus 3 will get 8, and another side is minus 3 of minus 5 will become minus 8. Therefore subtraction is not commutative for the under subtraction. Multiplication is commutative. 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 3 into 5. Both we will get the answer minus 15. Commutative property for division. Division is not commutative. Example is 5 divided by 3, that is not equal to 3 divided by 5. So 5 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 5. The associative property for integers. Addition is associative. Example is minus 2 plus of 3 plus of minus 4. So minus 2 plus 3 into plus into minus is minus. So 3 minus 4 will become minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 it will become minus 3. So therefore addition is associative for integers. Subtraction is not associative. 5 minus of 7 minus 3 equal to 5 minus 7 minus 3. So now 5 minus of 7 minus 4 is 7 minus 3 is 4. So my 5 minus 4 equal to 1. On the other side 5 minus 7 will become minus 2, and minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 5. Both sides we have not got the same answer. Therefore subtraction is not associative. Associative property for integers. Multiplication is associative. Here it was given an example. 5 into minus 7 into minus 8. Minus 7 and minus 8 is grouped. So 5 into 8 sevens are 56. So that is plus 56. So 5 into 56 you are getting 280. The other side when we have grouped it, 5 into minus 7 into minus 8. So minus 7 into 5 will become minus 35 into minus 8 you are getting 280. So therefore multiplication is associative. Now division of integers, associative property. So division is not associative. Example is minus 10 divided by 2 divided by minus 5. 10 and 2 is combined. So minus 10 divided by 2 will become minus 5. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 will become 1. The other side minus 10 divided by, this will become divide. So divided by 2 divided by minus 5 it will become 10 divided by 0.4. So again it is going to be the decimal, therefore it is not an associative.